Guys, it's my second video and welcome to Baraka. I'm playing White Noise online. This is only a trial of it and I've played it before but I was like, couldn't bother to, so deleted it, but now I've re-downloaded it, so I'm gonna play it. Random location. Let's be. You look cool. What? I want to be that guy. Fine. Who will be against the? I'll be that guy. You look cool. Right. White noise. Oh, white noise. Yeah. Find the tape recorders. Whoa, pick up. Why is the light down over here? Oh my god, I'm shitting myself already. What the f- Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shish kebabs. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's all good. Don't know where to go. What was that noise? It's supposed to be white noise, not a freaking scary noise. I wish I had the Oculus Rift, to be fair. Oh god. Oh no. Going this way. I hear some. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Oh my god almighty. Oh my. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh. No, 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 no. 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 Oh god. Oh god. Oh, I could picture that guy touching my bum. My bum. No. Leave me alone. As if this game can't be scary enough. I've got a guy following me, I think. Oh god, the screen's... Oh! Oh my Jesus! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh! 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 No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Oh, no, 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 I'm not playing. No, I can't play anymore. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my god, Jesus. Oh. Oh my god, I'm not doing that again. No, 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 no. No. Jesus Christ, I'm shaking. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. No, never again. Shit. Oh. Oh. My god. Right. I'm not doing that again. I might do it later again, but no. Oh my god. Right. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh my god. comment what game you want me to play it next. I'll try and get it. It's probably going to be a trial of it if it's for Xbox. But yeah. See you later. Here comes the end.